Hello, my name is Ryan Zackos. I'm a licensed real estate broker out of Sarasota, Florida. I'm sitting here in my office in downtown right off of Orange Ave in Sarasota. Started this firm with my father, who is a retired police officer at Sarasota County. We have about 15 agents and are serving the Sarasota, Manatee, and Charlotte County areas. We actually do have an agent in Pinellas County now as well. But today I'm going to talk to you about a topic that we hear often. A lot of people are moving out of state and they want to be close to the water, be close to a township, and they debate the different keys or islands that are in the area. A lot of clients are debating between Siesta and Lido, so I wanted to give you my opinion based on certain topics, which ones win out. So let's get started. Out of Siesta and Lido Key, which one is better for affordable homes? Siesta is going to win. Lido has less single-family homes available, less single-family home options than Siesta does. Because of supply and demand, obviously, Siesta is going to have more options there. Lido has only one home under $2 million right now in inventory, where Siesta has about 15. It is historically low in inventory, so I don't want to use today as a gauge for what's the norm. Typically, Lido, you will find a handful of homes right around $1 million, single families, and obviously just going up from there. Where Siesta, you will find stuff well under $1 million, a handful of stuff under $1 million, and then that goes up from there. Overall, Siesta is more affordable just because of the amount of inventory and homes that Siesta has on the island and key itself. For condo options, Siesta is going to win out on that as well. It's the same thing. It's a bigger landmass, more condo options, therefore the price is more affordable. Siesta has about 10 condos available right now under 500, where Lido only has one, I believe. So you will find some better options there. Better for restaurants, bars, and shopping. I believe Lido wins out on that. I love St. Armand's Circle. I love the ability to walk to Lido's public beach, St. Armand's Circle. There's some wonderful parks in South Lido as well, so walking to whether it's the mangroves and dropping a kayak there, walking to the public beach, walking to St. Armand's. St. Armand's has wonderful restaurants, ice cream shops, coffee shops. It's a wonderful place for shopping as well, so it's hard to beat that. Siesta Village is wonderful in and of itself, having the beach house and the cottage and Old Salty Dog and Daiquiri Deck and Siesta Key Oyster Bar. There's some wonderful restaurants and bars, live music in both locations, so you can't really lose on that. But I believe Lido's culture is a little bit more luxurious and wonderful thing to check out. Next is going to be what is better for its pure location. I think Lido wins out. Lido is right over the Ringling Bridge from downtown Sarasota, so having that quick couple mile drive or bike ride over the bridge to downtown Sarasota and having access to all that downtown Sarasota has to offer, as well as just being a couple miles south of the Sarasota Bradenton Airport, is wonderful. I think that's a very desirable location. Siesta is just the key south, so you're not missing out too much on the location, but if you're just purely looking at location, I believe that Lido wins out on that. The next thing is, what is the better beach? I think it's hard to beat Siesta, that white powdery sand. It is world-renowned for a reason. Lido is more of the quieter and what they would call local beach. There's a lot of locals that prefer Lido over Siesta just because Siesta is a tourist hotspot, but Siesta sand and beach is hard to beat and definitely unlike anything else that you've seen. Next thing is better for boating. I believe that Siesta wins out on that one. If you're a boater, you're looking for a canal front lot, Siesta has a lot more options available. There's a bunch of canals and channels running through Siesta that dump out into Sarasota Bay, which eventually go out into the Gulf. If you're looking and you're into boating, you could probably find a wonderful canal front home for right around $1 million, if not even under $1 million. Sometimes you'll see them come on the market. So that's definitely an option if you're into boating. Better lifestyle, I'd go with Lido. We talked about that previously with the culture and accessibility to downtown Sarasota. And then better for an investment, I think I would say Siesta, just purely because of the price point. You probably will find something that comes in the market that might have some positive equity in as well as the rentability. So there are a lot more restrictions on rentability on different parts of the condo associations, like that on Lido, than you would see probably on Siesta. So the rentability is wonderful on both those locations, but I think from a pure dollar and equity position standpoint, potentially you'll find a better deal on Siesta. You can find deals on both. I have, and I would love to help you. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to be a resource for you. Thanks. Talk to you soon.